Set up a perimeter then. Set up a perimeter then.
If I have to arrest you to get your identity, I will do it.
For being
close.
I'm more
Scoot
than
back.
Excuse me. Do
Go
not
back
touch
on
me.
the sidewalk.
Do not touch me.
Scoot back.
Do not touch me.
I'm in public. You guys can't tell us to go. I'll stay right here. I'll give you 10 feet. I'll give you 10 feet. Come on, you guys. Come on. I'm here just observing. That's it. All right. Right here, bud. We're gonna give you guys.
Cameras are gonna really hurt your dog. And we're at a safe distance. We're a public property. We have the right to record you, actor. We have the right to record you. Yes, we do. Put up tape if you don't like it. Stand there, officer and protector. You at the other end. Do your shit. Get to work. Shut up.
Just do your job. That's all. Just go and do your job. And that's it. You don't even have to talk to us. You don't even have to talk to us. Just do your job. We pay you to do your job, and that's it. You don't tell me what to do, man. You got no authority over me. As long as I ain't impeding in nobody's travel, and you can't tell me what to do, you have no legal rights over me. Understand that. Understand that. You guys are gonna understand that. That's why we're out here. What do you think we're out here for? Just nothing? What's wrong with you guys? Do your job, and that's it. You have no authority over me unless I do something criminal. Well, how else are they gonna learn? What the hell? Get his name and badge number once again, dude. Pathetic. Can't just do your job. Got all the rights in the world to check on our tax dollars. Supreme Court already freaking ruled. Supreme Court already ruled it. Look that up.
Look it up. It's
God.
looking it up and proving it wrong. Proving it wrong, and then you can tell me.
You have to set up a line. Set up a perimeter then. Set up a perimeter then. Set up a perimeter then.
If it's anything more major,
It's 8 to 10 feet. Supreme Court already said that we can.
I requested you to show up. Are you the one that was on call for show up?
Sergeant.
Yeah, I requested you. Okay, well, she didn't obviously tell you that I did request you over here. And so when we were walking up to the scene, she's already detained my husband and put him in handcuffs for walking on the sidewalk.
Same thing she was saying.
Saying that he can't do that. I actually got video of all that. I'm not put on a complaint on that, but I am going to. Same happens today. They come up and they start approaching us. We were already standing right here on this other line, and they pushed us back all the way. He sidestepped. He goes in the road. He's going to get jaywalking when there was no traffic. There's a both-way sidewalk intersection. He had no right to say that. And these other three officers, he can walk across all he wants. So I don't know why this give and take and all this. And stop being so arrogant too. She doesn't have a body camera. And anytime you're supposed to.
I don't think yours is on either.
You need to have a body cam on.
But here's the legal question. Does the First Amendment right to record police eliminate an officer's authority to control an active scene? No. Under Ninth Circuit precedent, the First Amendment protects recording matters of public interest, including government activity. But that right is not unlimited. Police may enforce otherwise lawful safety and traffic restrictions. And under Washington RCW 46.61.021, a traffic stop may also permit reasonable detention and identification. So the citizen has a protected right to record, but the officers may still have lawful authority, depending on where he stands, what he does, and why they order him to move.
You want me to go over there?
Yeah, fine.
Are you detaining me?
Yeah, you are being detained.
I'm being detained right now? For what crime? For what crime?
Right now you're trespassing.
No, I'm not. I'm out here in the public area. I'm not going over there. You're not gonna make me trespass and then trespass me. I'm out here in the front. I'm in the front. I'm in the front. There's no sign saying I cannot be here. What's your name and badge number? Foster? Foster? Costa? I'm in front, ma'am. I'm in front. Are you gonna arrest me? You're gonna arrest me for being right here? Or what? Are you gonna arrest me? I'm walking. Or what? Are you gonna arrest me? I'm going. Why do you have your handcuffs out? I'm in front.
Well, listen, who are you? You have ID.
I don't need to have ID.
You're behind here.
I'm not behind. I'm in front, ma'am.
You have an ID?
I don't have an ID.
Okay, listen.
What?
You need to
How do you
leave.
spell your name?
Koska, C-O-S-K-A. You need to leave.
What's your
right
name and
now.
badge number?
Binda, M7326.
Your name and badge number?
Peterson, M1843.
What's the name?
Peterson.
Peterson?
Leave.
Or what? Are you gonna arrest me?
I'm going to charge you with trespassing, and if I have to arrest you to get your identity, I will do it.
For being where?
Refusing to leave.
I'm walking away.
The back lot of the police station.
I'm not in the back lot.
You're in the wooded area. Are you leaving?
Yes,
Go.
I am.
Right now, are you subject to arrest?
I am. You just lost your qualified immunity.
Go.
You just lost your qualified immunity. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. You just lost your qualified immunity. We'll deal with this another time, I guess, huh?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. Anything I specifically can help you with, sir?
Are you a lieutenant or anything?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
I'd like to complain about Sergeant Costa.
Okay.
She just threatened me with arrest. She detained me illegally, and she also illegally tried to trespass me from this property.
Okay, if you'd like to fill out a complaint, I can get you a complaint form.
So I want to know, if I go back in the front of this building, not beyond the fence, am I going to be arrested?
What are you doing wrong?
Nothing.
Okay, you can
All right.
go out there, just, you know, you have wetlands over there, you have the fence itself blocking off certain areas.
Yeah, exactly. And I wasn't,
Abide by those rules.
and I wasn't going beyond any of that.
But here's the legal issue. Does refusing to identify yourself automatically give Massachusetts police grounds to arrest you? Generally, not for a pedestrian merely because an officer wants a name. But the analysis changes if officers already have probable cause for another offense, such as trespass. Under Massachusetts General Laws, Chapter 266, Section 120, notice to leave may be given directly or by posted notice. Meanwhile, Glick v. Knife protects the First Amendment right to record police performing public duties. So the decisive question isn't simply whether he refused ID, it's whether police had lawful grounds to detain or arrest him before demanding it.
Scoot back. Scoot back. You're too close.
I'm more
Scoot
than
back.
Excuse me, do
Go
not
back
touch
on
me.
the sidewalk.
Do not touch me.
Scoot back.
Do not touch me.
Scoot back.
Do not touch
Scoot
me.
back.
Why are you touching me? Get your hands off me. Don't you fucking touch me, motherfucker. And you're getting a fucking complaint. You have no
Okay,
reason to
you
touch
can
me.
complain.
You have
That's
no fucking reason to touch me, you fucking
Scoot
tyrant.
back.
You have no reason to
Scoot
touch
back.
me. I'm more than fired
not
up. Do
gonna
not
do it.
touch
Scoot
me.
back.
Do not touch me. Do not fucking touch me. He's already getting his lawsuit. You're working on yours. I'm doing a First Amendment protected activity. Don't fucking touch me.
You don't need to be within this close of the
I could be wherever the fuck I
No,
want.
you
Fuck
can't.
you. You fucking tyrant. He might be planting something. Go watch him. Make sure his body cam is on. That's what the fuck you should do. Sergeant, I have a question for you. You're a sergeant, correct? Are you familiar with anything that is visible from public can be recorded? Can you please tell this deputy this?
These are still private computers. You're just not
No,
allowed
but
to
he's
be
in public,
on the
isn't he?
computer.
And you're a police officer in public, so you should have no expectation of privacy.
It's
If he
still
wants
in the
privacy,
middle of an investigation. Just-
that's fine though. If he wants privacy, he needs to get in his car and try to hide the computer screen the best he can. If I'm in public, yes.
Just stand by. Now, I let you speak. Now
Okay.
I'm going to speak.
Go ahead.
Okay? In the middle of an investigation, you don't need to be coming up behind any of us.
Oh no.
It becomes just a safety thing at that point. You
There's no
understand?
safety concern. Do you see how many officers are here and one person with a camera is always a safety concern? A camera should not be a safety concern. I have
don't know
loose
what
chin
else you
swords.
have
There's
on
nothing
you.
on me, and I'm not going to give you permission to search me, so don't even go there. But I can record anything I see in public. So if I want to go to that sidewalk over there and record these deputies, I can do that. And if you guys try to prevent me from doing that, you're blocking my First Amendment right.
Nobody's blocking you from recording.
Then I can go over there and record these deputies and whatever he's typing on that computer.
Well, then guess what? If you're going to stand behind them, I'm going to stand right there with you.
That's fine. I do
Because
not
I'm
mind
not
that.
going to let my officers feel at risk.
You're pretty close to me though, deputy.
I haven't touched you, Milton.
I know, but you're pretty close to me, and earlier she touched me.
Well, if you're in her investigation.
No, I was just as far as these people were, but she wants to get triggered because I have a camera. That's what happened.
Listen.
That's what happened with her.
What do you do for a living, Alex?
Oh, that I don't answer questions like that.
No?
No. But you do. Can I have your name and badge number?
It's right there. You can see it on your camera.
You can't say it. Be professional and courteous and say it.
It's, well, besides spelling it, it's P-E-K-A-R-E-K.
That's better than anything. Than nothing. What, you want to shoot me? You want to take me to jail? Look at her.
Don't be drama.
No, it's not drama. It's these officers need to learn their place. Need to understand that you're a public servant and that I can record you. I don't say anything to you guys until you guys say something to me. When I approached, I didn't say anything to you guys.
Alex, they're doing their investigation.
Yeah, well,
if you want to talk to anybody,
get me
talk
mad.
to me.
Okay. Well, even if I did want to talk, it's not illegal.
Leave it alone. I mean, here's the deal. We want to let these people go. If there's nothing that they need to be held for, it's their right to go
Yeah,
on.
but I think you should back up a little bit too. Well, they've been held here for 42 minutes, and plus, because I got here late. It's a long time for your deputies to do what they're doing.
I don't know. He doesn't work for me.
I need to file a complaint on Deputy Ridgway touching me for no reason. Are you aware that the deputies over their District 2 office, they have a tendency to touch people just for recording? Just touch me, like, it's happened to me 3 times. What is that? Just for a camera?
Well, if you're in the middle of their investigation,
No.
you're going to be touched.
No.
To back up.
Well, at District 2, they don't do investigations. What happens is that I go into the lobby, I try to file complaints. The deputies up there, of course, want to stick up for their other deputies, get unprofessional, and touch me and tell me to get out of the lobby while I'm filming. That's what happens. It's crazy.
You're filing a complaint. Therein lies that is an investigation.
No,
Alex. Were you not
because I try to
filing a
get the
complaint?
information of the supervisor to do it. That's what happens. Because then they tell me, oh, you can't file a complaint with me. You have to do it with a direct supervisor. That's why I asked you if you were a direct supervisor, because I need to file one on this one.
Which one? Which one did you just
Ridgway.
point out? Oh yeah, she's mine.
She is yours?
Yeah.
I would like to file a complaint on her
For
because she was touching me. And I was just as far as those people over there. She was trying to make me stand over here on the sidewalk just because I have a camera. That's the thing, just because I have a camera.
I can always review her video.
Okay. That's fine. I can show you my video too, because I know it'll take a while. Or maybe her camera glitched, or it wasn't on, it's dead, no space, something will happen. Just like this one, I requested the body cam of this one when he illegally searched Leighton Fletcher. I can't get it. 10 days. They say it's excluded from public.
Well, it is. If whatever he was working on at that investigation is not complete and closed
Oh no,
out.
it's with me, because he arrested me for obstruction. Just because I was recording then asking why he was searching a man illegally.
But here's the thing, Alex. Has it been settled?
Not yet.
With the state attorney? Then it's not
September
closed.
13th.
Well, then do you... Okay, I'm going to teach you a few
I'm
things.
going to come back over here a little bit because I want to see what he's doing.
Ridgway, here real quick.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Come on.
Yes, deputy.
That's part of the investigation. You can't get any closer than that.
That's okay. I'll stay right here. I didn't intend to get any closer.
Okay. Are you going to school?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Are you going to school? Yeah.
It doesn't. It turned ugly when she put her hands on me. I would have just stayed here. I would have just stayed here minding my business, filming. I wouldn't have had said not a word. But she wants to come up to me all confrontational already because I already put her on YouTube. It was over there in the pharmacy. I went to go get a bottle of water, like literally a bottle of water. They were already there. I didn't care. I was just walking, and then her corporal and like 5 other officers, she's talking about something. Hey, there's Alex, First Amendment guy. Hey, everybody, there's First Amendment guy. So what? And then that made me turn on the camera and give her own YouTube video, and I'm pretty sure she hates me now. She can't wait to arrest me.
You guys can sit back in the car right where you ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. I'm not here to like film you guys. I'm just here to film the police. Deputy, I'm not gonna lie, you seem like a nice officer, but if I start talking to you, then these deputies will take my niceness for kindness towards them to do whatever they want to me. I'm not gonna let it happen. I can't.
Alex, have you ever even asked to do a ride-along or actually?
You know, actually, I've been considering it. I have, but I don't think it'll be smart for me now. At all. It won't be smart.
Yeah. Well, you don't seem very open-minded to the whole, looking at it from all perspectives. Do you go hang around Tampa police as well?
Ybor Rob, that's Ybor Rob's area. This is my area.
Is it? Okay. Ybor Rob started it first?
I'll go over there too if I want to, but I don't normally go over there.
Did you grow up here? Alex, Jesus, come on. That's just a pretty open question.
They are pretty open, but I don't. You know what? Anything that I answer to you could be used against me in court. You know that, right? You should know that.
Here's the deal. I mean, if I really want, I'm being just polite.
I understand that, and I appreciate it. That's how all public servants should be. Not her putting her hands on me and getting confrontational just because she seen me walk up with a camera.
Alex.
I was standing about right here. She came putting her hands on me, trying to push me back, get on the sidewalk. They're standing over there. Why they can't get on the sidewalk? What's wrong with me?
They're part of the stop.
No.
That's their vehicle.
It's just her excuse to try to get me for obstructing her investigation. That's what it is.
Listen.
No, that's what it is.
Listen, stop. Just listen again, okay? There's something inside of you that actually does want to have a normal conversation. So
I do. I would like to.
Stop. See, because you're here, it's now increasing the amount of personnel that have to be here just to make sure that you don't come up on somebody's back. So, is that right now to do to the taxpayer that normally a traffic stop that's one person now has to become more?
I think that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have to be. I'm just a guy with a camera, that's it. I'm not going to run up on anybody. What makes you think that?
Well, I know this now. How would I know this before?
You're the one with the gun, the taser, the pepper spray, the baton, all those.
If you're behind my back, how can I see what you're
No,
doing?
no.
Across these 3 encounters, the same lesson keeps returning. Constitutional rights work best when both authority and restraint are understood. Pasco earns C+ for police and C for the citizens. Milton C- for police and B- for the citizen. Hillsborough C+ for police and C+ for the citizen. Recording police is protected, but it is not unlimited, and police authority is real, but it is not unlimited either. The smartest response is simple. Record, maintain a defensible distance, clarify whether you are detained, comply with clearly lawful safety restrictions, and challenge questionable conduct through evidence and complaints, not assumptions. This closes our 3-case investigation, but the pattern continues. Click the Tyrant Cop Files case on screen now and follow the next encounter where ID refusal, police accountability, and the First Amendment collide.